Alright, you guys, this is a quick video. So episode 2, we're going to be making tuna mac. So you're going to need a box of mac and cheese. You can also home make your own mac and cheese, which I'll do another video on that. But get you a box of mac and cheese, and you're going to need a can of tuna. Use any flavored tuna that you want. Change it up because there are different tuna flavors. You can also get the packs of tuna, and you're going to drain it. So squeeze the lid in, get as much of the water out of the tuna in the can as possible. In the packs, they don't really have water in them. There's not a whole lot, so don't worry about this. But in the can, you're going to want to do this. Then just follow the instructions on the backs of mac and cheese, and once the mac and cheese is done, you're going to then put your tuna in it and just mix it all together really well so it's even, and then just eat it and enjoy. Thanks.